So we are here to give you every attention. We are here to ensure that every value you're bringing produced live in Uganda. In this kind of collaboration between SHIPU and MDS, we afford to have a cordial working relationship that we leverage to ensure a smooth operating environment for all investors. If you don't mind that, if you have the time, we can again we can make a presentation on our electronic investors protection portal, which is Excellency the President commissioned to ensure that investors do not have to struggle to get to every agency.
We had a conversation around the automobile sector here in Uganda and the transport sector. We have a large Danish investment particularly looking at electronic vehicles. It's something that we see as the future also for Uganda, that has very green electrical production and have challenges with air quality, congestion, particularly in Kampala. So turning to electrical vehicles can save cost in the long run, it can save the environment and noise and so on. So we were discussing opportunities for incentivizing the EV sector here in Uganda and unlocking some of the challenges that are here.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.